Hey guys, so I've decided that I'm most likely gonna stop doing animation for a while. The reason I'm making this decision is because, as you can see on my channel, I haven't been posting as frequently. And to me, it really doesn't make sense if I don't really have anything to post that I shouldn't have an audience. What I'm trying to say is I'm um quitting YouTube. So yeah, sorry for everyone who's disappointed in me, but uh um I don't really know what to say. Thanks for this awesome journey that I had for a little while. I I certainly enjoyed it, and it would yeah. Okay, bye. Late April Fools! Oh, haha! You should have seen your face. That that you that yeah that this fit that face, that one face you were making. Oh, pranked. Yeah, I'm proud of myself too. I'm not even gonna make up an excuse for this one. I've just really been procrastinating a lot and not doing things. So I've honestly made too many promises to you guys that I surely haven't kept, so I'm not even gonna say it this time. I'm most likely not gonna have an upload schedule, really. I'm probably just gonna upload whenever I feel like it or I want to, but yeah, I mean, it won't be, it, it, yeah, haha, it. I I should really start writing scripts, huh? Basically, what I'm trying to say is, I'm sorry for not uploading. I'll upload at least like once a month, but it's not gonna be that frequent because I suck at doing things. And yeah, I can't stop talking. I love being an extrovert and annoying. Okay, bye. Um, what, how many subscribers do I have? I don't even know. Like, actually, yeah, this is a 140 something subscriber special. For some reason, I'm getting a lot. For no, no. For some reason, I'm getting like for for some reason. For some odd reason, yeah. For some reason, uh, dude, come on. For some reason, I'm gaining subscribers even though I'm not uploading like anything. So that's cool. Hey, new subscribers. Uh, yeah. Okay, bye. Actually, this time. Oh yeah, I forgot to say another thing. Uh, it's very close to summer, so I mean, I might actually upload frequently. But like last summer, and the summer before that, and the summer before that, I barely did anything. Even though it's supposed to be like such a ah! What's it called? That summer thing? That's a season, right? Or is it just a holiday? Okay. For I think you get the point. Uh, I don't know if I said at least. I don't know if I said at least once a month uploading. But I mean, it won't be just like one video a month. I'll probably try to push out some extra videos, and I'm not gonna, what's it called? I'm not gonna get into making YouTube shorts because I don't want to. And yeah. So how was your day? That's crazy. My day was alright. I mean, things happened. That is what happens in a day. Like things do things. I'm not funny. I know I'm not funny. I don't know why I'm still recording this. But yeah. Okay, bye. Like, actually, I think. Actually, one more thing I forgot.